What is going on, guys? Coming at you with the first video. We are going to be doing an install on a 2000 Honda Civic EX. We are going to be doing an install on the stereo, the speakers. Well, I already did the install on the stereo, but we're going to be doing the speakers today. So yeah, and I'll show you what kind of speakers I got. Working with is the GX628 by JBL, and then we got the GX963 for the back. So these are going to be for the two front and then the back one over there. And then let's see if it's open, which is not. But we did install the stereo yesterday. It's gonna be the Sony, like the AX5000, so it's pretty nice. Installed it yesterday. It comes with Apple CarPlay with the remote right here. I still have everything like junked around, like the mic right here. Got the cable that for the amp, but that's for a future video. And then right now we just got the Sony stereo install, which is just kind of factory, you know. But yeah, I mean, if you want me guys to do this install again, I'll do it again, but we'll see what happens. But yep, that is the Sony stereo. We're gonna be doing an install on the speakers today because it does sound kind of fugazi, but we'll see what happens. And yeah, it's going from the back and then work our way front because the back ones do seem to be a little bit trickier, but we'll see what happens from there. And if worst comes to worst, we won't install them, but I'm pretty sure we'll install them today. Alright guys, so we're in the back of the car right now. So what you want to remove are these little tabs right there. There's 3 of them, 1, 2, and then a third one over there. So what you want to do is do all of those. And then there are going to be some clips right here as well where you gotta like pry back. So it is pretty simple. All you gotta do is get a flathead screwdriver, or get a flathead, pop it up like that, like literally. And it should come off like that. So you want to do that to all 3 of them. Alright, next step, once you remove the clips, you need to take off these 12mm bolts. They all have one. Alright guys, next step you want to do is pop this up. And then once you pop it up, you should be able to hear like a little click when it pops up. But then once you pop it up, you're going to have to go around. And then there are some screws like this guy right there that you got to push up. And then from there, everything should come apart. But I'll keep you guys updated. Alright guys, this was a BITCH, but you know, we actually got it out. I'm going to show you how I did it on the 2000 EX coupe model. So the way I did it was, you're supposed to take this rear panel off, but I just kind of like bypassed it and just literally just like took the clip off and just pushed it as far as I can. You know, have it like that. And then there are some clips over here in the corner that do clip onto the thing, so keep that in mind when you guys are taking that out. And then same thing I did on this side, which is, you know, I was trying to do the least and just did that right there, just push it to the left. And then there is gonna be 2 screws at the bottom, at the front top, like one over here, like one over here, and then one over here. Here, let me see. Oh yeah, see, look, this guy right there, there's a screw right there that like goes inside, and then another one over here, and then there's a far one right over there, and there's another far one right over there. Let me see, right over here. So there's gonna be 4 of those intact at the bottom, so you do need to loosen those up from the bottom, and then push it up slightly, and then push this back. I did one side at a time, so I pushed this back and I just flipped it over the thing. Let's see if I can put it back in together, but we'll see what happens. But then the next step on removing the 6x9 speakers are take a Phillips head screw, take these out, and then from there push it up, and then disconnect the plug as well if you guys already haven't. So yeah. Alright, so the way I'm taking out the speakers is with this Titan Phillips screw. It's a Phillips, it's a PH2 by 1 or 1.5, and it is magnetic too, so you know, a little plus, but you do need like a little tiny one so it can fit back here, because if you have like a little, if you have a major one like this one, it won't fit. So you need like a little tiny one so it fits in there. And then I took off all 4 screws on the speaker and literally just flips up once you get that connector off. And then, yep, hecho en Mexico, ya tú sabes. But then, yeah, and then same thing for this side. You just take the screws off, and then if you guys want me to show you here, right there. So you just grab these screws right there, and you just wiggle it out, and it comes off like that. And then, yep, and then this is gonna be the old ones, and I'll show you guys the new ones in a second. This side, I do like a little unboxing video. Sorry about the mess, but you know, there we go. You got the instructions. You got that. So we got the speaker covers. We got left side right there. The right side. And we got the main prize right here. These guys right here. Ooh, those are nice. And then I'll show you how I installed mine. So, yep, I'll take you guys through. Take the tape off. You know, something satisfying for you guys. Ooh. To the other side. Ooh. I am not going to be running the cover on it just because it's too big. Because I want to keep that factory look, and I am going to be using the cover still, so I am going to have to be taking it out because it does make a little difference. Like, look how tiny that is compared to look how big that is. So, and the way you install it is the same way. It's just the 4 screws, and then I'll show you how to wire it when we're all done with the project. So all I'm going to do is install back the panel. I mean, I did clean it up a little bit because, you know, it was really dirty, so now it looks kind of like pretty clean. But I installed the JBL ones, you know, 4 screws, and that's it. I did use a duster just in case when I was cleaning it got into like the debris. Alright guys, so we just installed the 6x9 speakers on the rear coupe. It was kind of a pain, but once you know what you're doing, it kind of like goes back quickly. So right now it's just gonna be sitting there until I order the connectors. So I need like the female ends and then the female ends connected to the factory harness, because I don't want to like tap in and solder, resolder, because or if I upgrade in the future. So I'm just gonna be saving it like that, but I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna be ordering the new part, and it's gonna be connected to these guys right here. So one end's gonna be connected there, and then the other end's gonna be connected there, and then all that's gonna be connected to the factory harness right there. Which, yep, and then after that it should be done. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated when the parts come in. All right. Alright guys, so this is a 2000 Honda Civic Ex Coupe. So what you want to do is just literally grab your fingers right here, literally pull on top, and it should literally just pop out. There's some clips right here where they gotta like push it down. You gotta like push down, and then from there it should be all free. Set that aside right there, and there's gonna be 3 screws. There's gonna be 1, 2, 3 screws, and then this should pop out. And there is a connector right here where you just push on this, and then push on the sides, and then just wiggle it out slowly but surely, and it comes off like that. And then push back up in, and then you grab the new one and install it. So you want to make sure it fits here. Alright guys, the only way that this is gonna fit on like factory and stuff like that, you're gonna have to drill a hole. So the way I set up is I already punctured it right there where my hole's gonna be, and all you gotta do is screw it in. The way I'm gonna be screwing it in is with, and then just drill it in, and then, yeah. All you gotta do is drill the holes out and then shift that back in. Let's try it out for fitment right now. Let's see it. So this guy goes like this. And just pop it back. It look like a factory, so it shouldn't be too hard to do. But you don't really need the little impact thing. All you need is literally a Phillips, and just try stabbing it in with it, because it is plastic, so it's easy to break, so it's easy to punch through it as well. The only thing I did was do like a little center mark, like a little punch hole, and then from there that's gonna be my like my drill. So but yeah, and then I'm gonna do the other side and I'll show you how it looks. Alright guys, since that last clip, it was from the passenger side stereo or the speaker, and the clips came in, and I did take a picture of the part number just to show you. It's going to be on the screen right now. And then just to show you the thing, so it is going to be like the connector that goes to the positive and then the negative, and then that's going to be the factory OE connector right there. You could literally just cut these right here and then just connect them, like solder them together. But I wanted to keep that OEM look just in case I wanted to upgrade in the future, because these speakers are not too bad, but maybe I want to upgrade sometime. But it's gonna go all 4. I did order 4 of these. They were like 12 bucks, wasn't too bad. But yeah, that's how you wire it. So that just goes into the connector, and then positive, negative, and then you should be good. That is all. it is like that for all 4 sides. So the 2 back and then the 2 front. So it wasn't too bad. And that concludes this video. I hope you guys learned something, but if not, well, it was fun, but yeah.